Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Suncoast Credit Union. Review my usage experience. Suncoast Credit Union, judging by the name, offers financial services, and this review likely focuses on the user experience of their online banking and related services. Their website provides details on accounts, loans, and other offerings. Key features likely include online bill pay, account management, and potentially mobile check deposit. The target audience is existing and prospective Suncoast Credit Union members. Their website emphasizes ease of use and security. They highlight features designed for intuitive navigation and robust security measures, promising a smooth and secure online banking experience. They don't advertise specific technology used, but the emphasis is on a user-friendly interface. Availability is limited to Suncoast Credit Union members, naturally. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Suncoast Credit Union's online banking. Getting started was a breeze. After logging in with my existing credentials, the dashboard was immediately clear and easy to understand. I navigated to the account overview section and could easily see my checking, savings, and loan balances. The bill pay feature was intuitive, adding a payee and scheduling payments was straightforward. I also appreciated the ability to download transactions into a spreadsheet for budgeting purposes. Performance was excellent, the website loaded quickly and transactions processed without delays. I had a quick question about transferring funds between accounts and their online help section provided a clear answer. One minor drawback was the mobile app's slightly outdated design compared to other banking apps I've used, although functionality was still solid. The standout feature for me was definitely the detailed transaction history and search functionality, which made tracking expenses much easier. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience using Suncoast Credit Union's online banking services. It's reliable, secure, and generally very user-friendly. That's my overview of Suncoast Credit Union. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.